welcomes all of you from my BD teaching channel. Today we will discuss about English grammar, what is simple sentence and also its different examples. For example, James ate the avocado very fast. Here James ate independent clause, the avocado object, very fast modifier. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence composed of one independent clause and does not contain any depend or subordinate clauses like any other sentences. It has a subject and a predicate, and it is intended to express a complete thought. A simple sentence is also referred to as a clausal sentence. In addition to the subject, verb, and object, a simple sentence may also have a modifier. So we will go to next discuss about different examples for simple sentences. Different examples of simple sentences. For example, Anne every day goes to the shop to buy goods. Perhaps the deterioration of the country's economy has already begun. The management of your school has performed its roles perfectly. People who reside in leaky houses should repair their roofs. They have lost the top skilled workforce to England, Spain, and France. In this way, we can give different examples for simple sentences. So, you will watch this video from starting to ending, then we can easily remember all about this. Types of simple sentence. There are two forms of simple sentence based on the structure. They include compound verbs and compound subject, single subject and single verb. Compound verbs and compound subjects. Some sentences are composed of one subject and at least two verbs. There are also sentences composed of one verb and multiple subjects. For example, the teacher taught and left. Here compound verb. James and John climbed to the top of the hill. Here compound noun. Similarly, single subject and single verb. This kind of simple sentence comprises of a single verb and a single subject. For example, the candidate did well. He bought it at a discount of price on Amazon. A pair of blue trousers look great. You have to work hard to become successful. In this way, we can divide simple sentence in two categories like compound verb and compound subjects, and also single subject and single verb. So I hope that you will watch this video from starting to ending, then we can easily remember all about this. And also if you like, then like, share, comment video, and also subscribe BD Teaching YouTube channel for next new learning video.